So tell us about the OGIO bag. What one is this?
This is the new OGIO bag. It's the RIG T3. They call it T3 because it comes with 3 bags. 3 bags in one. So you got the main bag, inside you have the helmet bag, and then you also have a boot bag, which is pretty cool.
Let's open it up!
Let's check it out.
I look forward to this.
Clips, or that's it?
I've personally been wanting a bigger bag for a while, and let's see if they nailed this.
Why do you want a bigger bag?
Because I want to fit everything inside of it. I want to put my helmet in there, I want to put my boots in there.
Well, what can't you fit in your bag?
I can't fit my helmet in my bag right now.
So?
That's quite annoying to me because you know how many times I've honestly, and everyone's like, you forgot your helmet? When your life is full and packed, and your mind is packed, you forget things.
So inside, it has a head case bag for your helmet. You can fit your goggles in here. I plan to put a chatterbox inside of here, see if we can get that all to fit. You also come with the boot bag, which is cool because say you're riding and it's snowy out, like we just went, it's snowy, muddy.
Yep.
I didn't even put my boots inside my bag because I didn't want everything to get dirty, so I threw it in the bed of my truck, and then on the way home it started to rain. So this bag is cool.
So they get all wet.
It did. This bag is cool because
worse.
you can throw your boots in here, they get all muddy, you get home, you wash this thing out, everything's perfect.
All right, and then in here, there's like some dividers too that are pretty cool. So if you want to go through, if you're not going to use the the separate bags,
Yeah, separate bags,
you can actually go through and set dividers up so that you can have separate compartments. And then, I guess like the old 9800, you've got the internal bags right here.
That's it.
Or the internals where you can put all of your, I guess your like pants and your jerseys can go up right in here. And then I don't know if you want to put like your gloves and maybe your goggles in here or something.
Or some tools.
Yeah,
And
tools
then on
possibly.
here it's got a vent. You can open this vent if your gear smells like Chase's. You want to vent the back out to get that smell out of there.
Set it in the back, let it air out.
The other cool
let that air
thing,
out.
when the bag is closed, say you just need to put on your helmet really quick to hop on your bike, do whatever, you can just open up this zipper here, and it allows you to pull the helmet bag out.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so you don't even have to open the whole bag. You can easily get your helmet, pull it out.
Or like sometimes if you're going to go jump on the street
Exactly.
and you just
So
need your
should
helmet
we
really
start
quick.
loading it up then?
Well, we got one more zipper here on the top, maybe for keys, wallet,
quick
whatever
access
you'd like
stuff.
to put in there. And then down here on the bottom,
Oh yeah, my favorite. They
Oh,
still
this
kept
is cool.
it.
they kept it. They got the changing mat.
That, I'm going to tell you right now, oh wow, it's smaller.
It's a little smaller than the original.
Wow.
But it's cool because like when we were at Divide Peak that first time we went and it was raining, right? And we couldn't change in the truck because there was a bunch of stuff in it. You know, you have a mat to
Wait,
get
did
your
you
stuff
guys have
on.
like a prototype of this? Or what is it? What was this originally on?
His bag came with the mat
Oh,
My
really?
bag has
on
a
a
change-
9800.
Really?
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
a changing mat on my 9800.
Oh, that's cool.
And so I've always used it. I've always used it. Thank you for that.
No, that's
always.
cool. I go like the old school way and just stand like on top of my shoes.
shoes?
But then if you fall, you get like, nah, man.
You roll your ankle?
Yeah, and you're like, oh.
Yeah, this one's got a
Got dirt.
Thank you for keeping that with the bag. I
Yeah.
appreciate that.
No, that was a good job, OGIO.
Thank you, OGIO.
retails $4.99.